yesterday we went shopping to Marshall's. My mom took me there, and we didn't find that much toys. But the only thing that's fun that we found is Doh Vinci. And let's open this. Doh Vinci, like this little flower says, we got the vanity design kit, and it says from the makers of Play-Doh. If you can see right there, it says molding compound, and it comes with 4 colors: blue, white, lime, and pink. And it says choose a color. And now let's open it up and see how this will turn out. Wow! This is so cool. So this is the Doh Vinci. It has these instructions in the back. This is cool. And I want to see. So this part, my baby sister's here. This part is this. See? So show you it. I like the little designs on it. Cute. And it has this part that I'm guessing it has to be this part. Because it looks like it is. Huh? So we got this. This is the styler with those stuff. We got the instructions. These are the pop-out cards. Already popped out this. So we're going to introduce all the things. So first, this is a sculpting tool right here, and it says use one side to tweak your designs and the other to stamp. So here's the other one to stamp, and this one is to tweak. First, we have to pop out these things, or we're not going to get ready. So it says you have to pop out these. I read the instructions. My sister is going to pop the rest out, and I'm going to get ready for the gun. So it looks like that you do this, and you pick a color. The color that I want is not actually blue, but I was just going to show you what to do. I'll just pick this white first, and do this. You can design it however you want. So put this in. And you go like this. Okay, see? Okay, I'm gonna start doing this. Okay, this is gonna be hard. Now we can use a little sculpting tool to fix stuff. Okay, so I fixed that. No more fails. And now I'm going to use pink. It's like he was pink and here's white, and then I'm like silver. Okay, it's okay if they do a fail again. Now let's use this lime green. I like to call it lime because it's almost like a lime green. It's gonna turn pink and then green. Okay, so the green right here, I'm going to do. These dollops are really hard to make, but when I saw it, no, let's get the flower and put it on top of this leaf and put this flower on top of all of this. Okay. I have done this much so far. I just only want this. I guys to do saying this. And Doh Vinci. My sister's my favorite. So it's really complicated to do with the dough gun. So I'm just gonna do it by hand. So it's so hard. Let's roll. Okay, so I did the cat already. I'm done. So I need this butterfly. And then this heart. So this is our finished project. It was complicated, but then it started being fun. And thank you for watching our videos. Please click like or subscribe and comment down below.